You want to collect payments through a form without a website? I've tested all the most popular tools that claim to do this fast. And in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to start collecting money online in just minutes. No coding, no site needed, and no overcomplicated setup. If you stick around till the end, I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software we're using, only available through my channel. First, let's talk about why you don't need a website anymore. Whether you're a coach, freelancer, side hustler, or just running a simple one-time offer, a full website is overkill when all you really need is a clean form with payment functionality. We're cutting out the clutter and getting straight to collecting payments through a form instantly. Start by signing up for the software linked in the description. It's quick, and again, the exclusive trial is only for viewers of this channel. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and look for the form builder or similar option. This is where the magic starts. You'll want to drag in a few essentials: a name field, an email field, and most importantly, a payment field. Choose Stripe or PayPal as the processor. Both are already integrated. You can also set a fixed price, allow custom pricing, or even create tiered options if you're offering packages. Next, customize the form to match your brand. Colors, fonts, even your logo if you want. The software lets you preview in real time, so you know exactly what your clients will see. Now here's the key. Once your form is built, you can generate a direct link. This is why you don't need a website. Share that link anywhere: social media, email, SMS, even a QR code. The form is fully hosted by the software, and your customers go straight from the link to paying you. No web page needed, no domain setup, just a direct path to payment. You can also enable automatic email confirmations and notifications, so buyers get receipts instantly and you're alerted every time someone pays. If you're delivering a digital product or access to something, you can redirect users to a download page or private group right after payment. Another useful tip: test your form before sharing it. Use the built-in test mode so you can walk through the full experience as your customer would, just to make sure everything's smooth. Alright, key takeaway. You don't need a website to collect payments anymore. All you need is a reliable hosted form builder that takes payments and gives you a shareable link. That's it. Quick recap. Sign up for the software in the description. Build your form with name, email, and payment fields. Customize your branding. Grab your link and share it anywhere. Set up confirmations or redirection if needed. Test it before going live. And that's how you collect payments through a form without a website. It's fast, clean, and it works. Before you go, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial of the software in the description below. It's only available to viewers of Dan Thorne's channel. I've tested everything out there, and this one's by far the most beginner-friendly with pro-level features. Thanks for watching. Now go get paid.